What's up everyone, it's JP from Oracle Lighting here. Today we're going to show you how to install the new Oracle RGB+W DRL kit in the 2019 and up Chevy Silverado. The install process is really straightforward, however these are really expensive headlights, so we want to show you exactly how the process is done. If you're not comfortable with doing the install yourself, it's not a problem. You can send your headlights direct to us at Oracle Lighting for professional install, as well as custom paint, or even our new Demon Eye kit. Let's get started. Let's start by taking a look at what's in the box. First, we have our LED driver harness with plug-and-play connectors as well as separate inputs to activate the solid white DRL. This is our RGB connector. These cables will connect to the Oracle color shift controller you select to use. Lastly are the color shift RGB+W circuit boards. These PCB were designed by Oracle and feature plug-and-play connectors as you see here. To remove the lens, preheat your oven to 225 degrees. Insert the headlight lens up and bake for 15 minutes. Then remove the headlight. Remove these 3 T25 bolts to remove the bumper support bracket. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry outward on the black lip around the perimeter of the headlight as shown to loosen up the seal and work your screwdriver under the lens. Once you feel the lens loosen up, begin to pull it away from the housing. You may need to use your flathead to loosen up the seal around the corners. Loosen these 3 T25 bolts to remove the DRL assembly. Be sure to unplug the 2 DRL circuit boards. Remove the T25 bolt from each DRL board and bend the tabs outward as shown to remove the factory DRL. Install the RGB+W DRL to the assembly. Be sure to mount the DRL with the main cable junction to the top DRL position and the last in the chain to the bottom DRL position. Next, remove the 3 T25 bolts securing the turn signal reflector and remove it. Mark the center of the top of the reflector and drill a small hole. Align the LED on the third DRL board with the newly drilled hole and secure it in place with 2 Tech screws. It's okay for the screws to show through as it'll be hidden when the headlight is assembled. Next, reinstall the turn signal reflector. Drill a 10mm hole through the back of the headlight as shown. Then, depin the main cable connector using a pick tool. Route the main cable through the hole, then seal the hole with the included grommet. Pull the rest of the cable through, then reinstall the DRL assembly.
Use a small flathead or pick tool to remove the original seal from the sealant channel. Use a heat gun and gloves to straighten out any overbent edges. Apply Oracle sealant to the channel, then press the lens back into place. Make sure the original lock tabs lock onto the lens. Lastly, reinstall the bumper support bracket. Then repin the cable connector as shown. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for all of our latest install videos.